Hi, fourth graders. Happy Tuesday. We're going to continue learning about the three branches by diving a little deeper into the executive branch. So we're going to talk about all of the power and responsibilities that come from the president and the help that he has within his branch. Whoops. So some vocab. Executive branch, that is the president and his cabinet, the people that work and live usually at the White House. The Constitution is that document that was created when we became our own country, and it states our laws. A bill, you might have heard this before, it's the step before something becomes a law. So when people start to vote they propose these ideas to be a law, it begins as a bill, and then if it gets passed by different people, it will become a law. And a political party is a group of people that think similar in government. Some verbs. To veto is to deny or to refuse something. Obey means to follow a direction or rule. Fulfill is to complete something correctly. And impeach is when you charge the president with a crime. So what is the president's job? The Constitution gives us the rules for being a president, and they are found in a section called Article 2 within the Constitution. And here's some pictures of some former or current presidents. So power and responsibility. They must protect the Constitution and make sure that all of our country's laws are obeyed. They report important news to Congress, and that's part of the legislative branch. And as commander-in-chief, the president is in charge of the armed forces. He's in charge of figuring out where our army needs to go, and he's in charge of different wars and battles, stuff like that. He also signs those bills that are passed by Congress, or he can veto them and send it back. So he has the power to veto a bill if he or she wants something changed. But there, of course, are rules to being the president. The president serves 4-year terms, so every time they are elected, they serve for 4 years, and they can serve for 2 terms for a total of 8 years. The vice president is second in charge. He takes over if the president dies or can't fulfill his duties. So if the president is killed or passes away while he is in office, the vice president will take over. And they are the leaders of their political party. So right now, Donald Trump is a Republican. So he is the current leader of the Republican Party. And then we also have Democrats, who are the opposite political party. And these images represent those political parties. So the donkey represents Democrats. The elephant represents Republicans. Okay, so your Google form for today. Again, we're on lesson 40. Number 1, what document lists the president's responsibilities? Remember to, let me add this in, be sure to use the slides and video to answer the questions. Do not guess. Go back and find them. Thank you. Number 2, which part of the government must the president report important news to? Number 3, true or false, the president must pass or deny all bills passed by Congress. Number 4, what does it mean if the president vetoes a bill? Number 5, the commander-in-chief refers to the president being in charge of. 6, true or false, the president can serve as many terms as he or she is voted. Number 7, how long is one term of presidency? And 8, Republican and Democrat are examples of which of those terms? All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. Hope you have a great Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, Adams.